Hello mga ka-electrical, welcome to our vlog, and for today's video I'm gonna share to you the project that I made. So it's a water control monitoring system of a building. So we have our main water tank, we have our secondary tank, we have our transfer pump and booster. So we are using an analog signal generator, so as replacement of our analog level sensor. So yung signal na ginagamit natin dito is 0 to 24 milliamps, pero yung module natin is 0 to 20 milliamps. Pero in actual, we are going to use the 0 to 20 milliamps, same as the module natin na capacity. And then, we are playing the signal dito. Then, magbabago yung water level dyan sa secondary water tank. So, as we adjust the input signal. So, kapag binaba natin, bababa din yung water level. So, yung analog scaling dito is ginawa natin dito sa software ng PLC. So, nandun yung analog scaling. So, by our next video, ipapakita ko kung paano ko yung ginawa. Tapos, lalagyan natin ng numbers. Ano ba yung connection yan? So, we are using the analog signal generator. Yung ground natin is connected dito sa 0 volts ng module channel. The first channel. Tapos, itong AIO, which is analog output, is connected to our first channel. Itong yellow na wire, it is connected to our CH1. That's the first channel input.